Hello, this is an unboxing video for manufacturer number 759BKSW by Buck Knives. This is the Metro. It's black in color. I'm going to go ahead and take it out here with you so you can get a better look. Here you have the word Buck USA right along here. Got the emblem here. It's small, convenient, and serves multiple purposes. It has numerous features, including a small blade, a bottle or soda can opener, and can be easily attached to a key ring. It's US made. The blade length is 1 1/8 of an inch, or 2.9 centimeters. The blade material is 420HC. It has a lanyard hold keychain attachment. The handle material is a black anodized aluminum stainless steel. To close it, you just push this piece here down. Allows for you to be able to retract the blade. The length when it's closed is 2 3/8 of an inch, or 6 centimeters. It can be easily used with one hand and weighs about 1.5 ounces or 42.7 grams. And again, this is the Metro. It's black in color, and this is by Buck Knives.